What's going on, everybody? This is Jason. Just getting back to rebuilding this engine. This is the engine off of the DirtTrike that we are building. So let's get into it. We have a 110cc engine. I have the cylinder pulled off. It had no compression. I'm going to rebuild it. I have new pistons, rings, valves. I'm going to clean up the head. Got new gaskets. And hopefully we can get this thing running alright so we can put it on the DirtTrike. I'm excited for that puppy. Piston with new rings on it already, the head gaskets, new valves. Today I have honed the cylinder and I cleaned up the head of there a little bit. And I'm going to remove the valves out of that and clean up all the parts in there with new parts. Just to be on the safe side, we're going to replace all the O-rings and hopefully we'll get this sucker back to original stop. Get started with the piston. It only smells like oil and not some crazy stuff. Parts here set out, ready to go and be installed. I got the gaskets cleaned off. I installed new valves, cleaned up the head. Got the cam put in, got the rockers put back in, valve springs are both put back in. I forgot the gasket again, so I had to take it apart again. Now we have a new gasket in place. All of the O-rings seem to be in place. Head is finally going on. Answers one question I had. There is oil in this engine still. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Check out the next video when we actually try to run the engine and see if what I did worked out.